Hey, what's up everybody? Mike here with Designing Easy. Today I'm going to show you how to finish a food-safe butcher block in 3 easy steps: sanding, oiling, and waxing. I would recommend using an orbital sander and starting with an 80 grit. Apply a little bit of pressure as you're going back and forth across the block. You don't want to focus on any one area for too long, or you'll get an indentation in that part. So it's best to move the sander in circular patterns as you drag it across surfaces. I like to sand edges down so they aren't sharp. You're going to want to roll from surface to surface while moving the sander in a circular motion. Never park the sander on an edge, or it will eat a huge divot rather than creating a gently rounded edge. Make sure to get the corners too. Now it's time to switch to a 120 grit and complete the same process as with the 80. I decided to put a towel under the block because I noticed the vibrations were causing it to get scratched up underneath. After you've finished with the 120, it's time to wet down the butcher block. The purpose is not to clean the block, but to get all the wood particles to stand on end so that you can get a clean finish with the 220 grit. Don't be alarmed if the block feels rougher than it did before you wiped it down. It should. After it's dried, you're ready to finish sanding with the 220 grit. It's time to wipe down the block with a clean rag or towel. I like to use shop towels because I feel like they do a good job of getting all the dust off. Keep cleaning until you don't see any more dust on your towel. When it's clean, you'll be ready to apply food-safe cutting board oil. I use a brand called Howard, but you could use whatever you find locally. Soak the towel in oil and apply with the grain of the wood. Make sure to prop up your block with a clean piece of wood, otherwise oil will dry with debris attached to it and you won't get a smooth finish. Let it sit for 20 minutes before you wipe off excess oil. Wait 20 or 30 minutes in between applying coats and repeat this process 3 or 4 times. The last step is to finish with cutting board wax. Apply a generous portion to an orbital buffer and buff the surface. Use the same pattern that you did with the orbital sander to really get every inch of the surface. Let it sit for 20 minutes before you wipe off excess. And there you have it, 3 easy steps to finish a food-safe butcher block. If you liked my video, please hit the like and subscribe button to help my channel. Thanks for watching.